In this module, we are going to talk about economic, medical care, and educational differences. In core countries, there are better employment opportunities in secondary and tertiary industries due to availability of following facilities as compared to the peripheral states or nations. There is a better infrastructure. Transportation facilities are more than other periphery or semi periphery. Telecommunication links, wealth, good housing, access to electricity, piped water supply. So these are the facilities which are there in core states. More highly educated and skilled people are there in core states. High economic growth is going on, active in international trade, mass production, mass consumption, shopping malls, recreational spots, attractive for foreign investment. They make the environment in so gaudy and showy for the outer world that they want to invest in that country, they want to live, want to work, want to trade. So this is how core states are sharp enough to engage the outer world for more profit or for maximizing the profit. Periphery is dependent on the core in following areas: education, technology, media, military equipment, and financing. As I earlier mentioned, that how they kept engaged to the outer world, that how much beneficial for you if you are going to take education from us, if you are going to have more investment in our country, it is more secured. So these are the ways that they engage the other nations out from the core states, I mean from periphery or semi periphery, and attract their financing. Periphery nations have high poverty rate, low income, less employment, opportunities are not there as much as in the core states, and they are dependent on foreign aid. Child labor is a common problem due to economic constraints, which leads to low literacy rate. Poverty and population growth are other major causes of illiteracy. Healthcare services and number of highly professional medical staff is less, therefore periphery has high mortality rate because individuals from periphery and semi periphery start migrating to the core states for better prospects of life because core is attracting them with more money, with more salary, with high salary and more facilities. Core's growth has negative effects on periphery. Out migration of economically active people due to several push factors: outflows of capital, decreased tax base. Corporations of periphery cannot compete with core's corporations. Periphery is drained of labor, wealth, and raw materials. Core develops and periphery lags behind in different areas because core used to exploit the periphery and semi periphery. But the thing is, again, how leadership works and exploit those system capabilities that we learned in our previous modules efficiently.